Good morning. Today I'm going to be trying out this Asani double-walled glass kettle. I just woke up and coffee is in order, so we're going to give this a try. So one of the first things that I noticed about this when I unboxed it was the base. I like that it has a cord that can, be tucked away very nicely, not messing with your counter space after you are done. Let me get this plugged in. One thing I did notice about this as far as plugging it in, it said plug into an outlet where other things are not being used. So basically I just unplugged my microwave. It was saying something about the wattage. It could blow something else, which made me a little bit nervous, but we'll see what happens. So, and I noticed it also comes with this, which I'm assuming maybe I could put coffee in, or tea, maybe loose tea. So I'll try that at another time. But yeah, it holds 1.75 liters max, which is quite a bit. So I'm gonna get it filling up, and then we will try to see how this works. It seems pretty simple. Alright, so we've got water in it. It's plugged in. So we'll hit start button, it says. Nothing's happening. Okay, apparently I needed to reset my socket, so let's do. I heard it flash and beep. Okay, you'll see start cancel button flash and the temperature display will turn on. I did not see that. I thought I saw it flash and I heard a beep, but nothing is turning on at all. There's nothing on the display. Yeah, so I don't know. So far this is somewhat of a bust. Okay, I got it to work on a different outlet, which in a way, I'm not gonna lie, this is making me just slightly nervous. So it says here to hit the start cancel button to start it going. And my understanding is I thought it was supposed to go up to 212. Okay. So I guess the question is this working? Okay. So this is flashing, so maybe this is indicating it's ready to go. We'll give it a minute and see what happens. Okay. Might be a little bit of a learning curve, learning to use this, or maybe it's just the first time the appliance being turned on, but I can hear it doing stuff now. And you could see on the display, at least it was a second ago, it was at 83, and then it climbed up to 84, now 85. I like the lights. I'm a sucker for lights. I mean, you can see movement in there. It's definitely doing something. I guess my big curiosity with this too, other than not having to use my stovetop, which I really hate trying to use in the summer because it gets hot, my big question with this is how quick will it heat up my water for tea or coffee or whatever I've got going on. But looks to be going pretty quick. We're showing at 100 now, so yeah, we'll keep an eye on this. Alright, early I literally just stopped filming like maybe a full minute ago. We're at 1:51 now. Definitely hear it making more sounds. See some action in there. So far, other than the little minor hiccups getting it started, and I'm not an electronics guru, so could have been my problem, but also finding the right socket to put it in. So we're steadily climbing here. I think they said it takes it to 212 for boiling, and then you can put it in this, let me see if I can get it to focus, but this button here, it says keep warm. So, yeah, I'll check in a second. It turned off as soon as it basically hit that boiling mark. So I'm assuming we're in keep warm mode. But yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna check this out and get my French press going. Thanks for watching, guys. This is pretty kind of a cool product. I like it for a lot of various reasons. But so far so good. Pretty neat little gadget.